Well, gee, it would be nice if I could turn all these expensive units into demo units. Yes. So you can just turn your newest Android, your oldest Androids, well, Samsung's in particular, to, well, pseudo demo units. And I'm gonna show you both for the new ones and the old ones. So the old ones are like these ones, and the new ones, well, anything from the S10 to, well, the S26. Now, I would recommend downgrading these things back to the oldest versions you can in any ways possible, because old screensavers do have some unintended side effects when you use them on newer versions of Android. So yeah, in this case, 4.4 for the S4, 5.1.1 for the S6 Edge, and I'm going to show you, well, where you can get them. I'll have this link below, but you can actually access the old ones here, and you just go all the way down to show all, and you pick your device. So in this case, we have an S6 Edge and an S4, so I want to go with the S4, and as you can see, I just need this APK. Now, there are all these other ones here. If you don't own the device but you want to see what they look like, we're going to go ahead and get that one too. With a bit of file transfer magic, well, they're on these devices now. So we just need to install them, which is as simple as opening up the File Explorer on both of these units. As you can see, we just install them like any other application. Now, the thing is, once you install it, you just open it. Now you'll get this thing, like this pop-up saying like, oh, it's not for store users, and I cannot tell you the passcode, but with a bit of Googling you can figure this out. Though, we don't even have to do that, because if we just turn off the screen, there you go. And it works. So yeah, you already have your screensavers working on the older devices, and obviously, as I said, with Android 5, at least for the S4, there's a bit of a side effect that it'll play the S-View cover version, even though there's no S cover attached, but that's just how it is. Though, yeah, it does work, and as you can see with this one, there's all these funny features that you can do, so that's fun. But yes, in our case, that's how it is with the older versions of the Samsungs. You just go to this link down in the description, get them, install them, and open them and lock your device, and they just work. With the new ones, thanks to LR Media, you can actually also get the same screensavers for the modern devices, like this is Galaxy S24 Ultra. And the way you do that is choose, plug it in, and just leave it, and let the screen timer run out. And as you can see, it plays. And well, that's great, but it has to be plugged into the charger the entire time to do this. Now, once we unplug it, it just goes away. So yeah, it's pretty basic and it works. And when you don't need it and you need to turn it off, it's like none. Now, to deactivate these ones, it's a bit more difficult. Sometimes they will refuse to be uninstalled. Sometimes you can just easily just uninstall them like any other app. But on some devices, it could be a bit more annoying of a process. As you can see, uninstalling them, well, fixed it, and for devices, they don't wake up. So yeah, with these ones, you have to uninstall them or figure out how to get to the software. With this one, disconnect the cable or just turn it off. And that's it, really. My project, or with these ones, for the new ones, go to Lazarus LTU, which is in the link below. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.